Welcome to online OHS training tutorials. In this tutorial, you will learn as an employee how to use the online OHS system and your responsibilities in cooperating with your employer's efforts in providing a safe workplace. As a worker or employee, you have a right to work in a safe and healthy workplace, but in return you must take reasonable care for the health and safety of others in the workplace. Cooperate with the employer to ensure safety. Tell your supervisor or OHS representative about hazards or other safety matters you are aware of. Cooperating with your employer includes wearing or using safety equipment supplied to you, carrying out work in a safe manner, following health and safety instructions, using and maintaining machinery and equipment properly, taking notice of signs and adhering to speed limits, and participating in safety training. In providing a safe workplace, your employer has implemented an online OHS system. This system has been designed to help maintain a safe workplace, but mainly designed so that the end user, the employee, can actually use the system. In this tutorial, you will learn how to navigate around the system as well as how to log a hazard or record an accident. You will also learn how to undertake inductions, view the company's policies, as well as view and download safe work procedures and checklists. Let's take a quick tour of the system. The system comprises of 3 distinct sections. There is the 6 main categories where the documents are developed and the overall registers are kept. Then there is the admin section where the employee's main register is kept and where you can set permission levels and alerts to notify personnel that something is due for review. And then there is the Site button. The Site button has been designed for the end user to gain quick and easy access to any documentation or to log an accident or hazard within 3 clicks. So documents are developed in the main registers and related to a certain site for the end user to obtain those documents via their Site button. By selecting the Site button, a list of your company's sites will be seen. To obtain documentation relating to your site, select the View icon. You can now see a list of 14 icons. These icons are the registers that are found in the 6 major categories, but now they are filtered to have the documents that relate to the site selected and the site selected only. By selecting the icon, the system will open the register for that topic. For example, safe work methods. If you need a safe work method, just select on the icon and the safe work method register can be seen. To download the safe work method, it's easy. If a safe work method has been uploaded into the system, then it will be highlighted in the register. Double click on the icon to download. If there is no uploaded document, then management may have built the document inside the system. Therefore, select the View Safe Work Method icon and the safe work method built inside the system can be seen. Now select the Generate PDF link to download and print the safe work method. A similar process can be undertaken for the checklist register. Select the checklist icon and the checklists that have been developed for this site will be seen. Select the View icon to open the checklist. Either undertake the checklist online or select the Generate PDF icon and download and print the checklist out. If printing the checklist, make sure that the completed checklist is entered back into the online system, as the system builds a log to show a history of compliance. Logging a hazard is easy. Select the hazard icon and then the Add Hazard link. Make sure to complete the entire form. Select the site of the hazard from the drop-down box and relate the hazard to either an activity or machine if applicable. The hazard that you have identified is then entered into the hazard cell. You can put a more detailed description in the system in the area provided. Select the calendar to enter the date and select your name from the drop-down box. Once this is completed, select Add, and the hazard will be implemented into the hazard register. To log an accident, select the accident icon, and the accident register for that site will be seen. Select the Add Incident Info link. Complete the form, making sure to complete all the fields correctly. When completing a date field, make sure to select on the calendar icon, and do not type the date into the field. It is important to make sure that the date and time of the incident is correct. Select if the person received any first aid, medical treatment, went to hospital and by ambulance. Describe the injury and how the accident happened, and importantly, if there was any witnesses to the accident. If there was, make sure to get their details and a statement of what they saw, as this is extremely important. Select the Add and Proceed button, and then select the type of injury from the drop-down box, and also tick the body parts that were involved. Select Add, and the incident and accident has been logged. Inductions are an important part of letting you, the employee, know what policies and procedures are in place to help provide you with a safe workplace. When you are asked to complete an induction, you will log into the system with your unique username and password. Select the induction icon on the top toolbar, and the inductions that have been assigned to you and only for you can be seen. You will now need to complete all the inductions in the left-hand column. To open an induction, select on the induction name, and the induction will appear in the main screen. Double-click on the learning material. Watch the induction and answer the questions if there is any, or select that you have completed the induction. Work your way through the inductions assigned to you. All this might seem daunting, but all this has been put into place to help provide you, the employee, with a safe workplace. And as an employee, you have a legal responsibility under workplace safety laws to cooperate with your employer's efforts to ensure safety.